Cuando me siento bien, la sartén no se pega, me sale la tortilla redondita, perfecta. El frío es una excusa para abrazarte más. Si la casa está muy sucia, nos vamos a un hostal. Me siento bien, la música me inspira, merengue, bachata y tu voz de dormida. Con cuatro
Good morning! Today we are going to make torrijas without eggs, a very typical dish of Holy Week in Spain. I hope you like it. We will make 15 torrijas and its preparation time is 1 hour. First of all, we need this kitchen equipment: a frying pan, 2 bowls, a knife, a big wooden spoon, a fork, a pan, 2 plates, and kitchen paper. The ingredients that we need are some slices of bread, 1 lemon peel, 1 tangerine peel, 2 cinnamon sticks, 1 liter of milk, with 250 sunflower oil, sugar and cinnamon, and flour to cook without eggs. In a pan, pour a liter of milk and turn on the ceramic hob over medium heat. Add the lemon and tangerine peel and the 2 cinnamon sticks. Stir the ingredients until the milk begins to boil. When it boils, remove it from the head and remove the lemon and tangerine peels and the cinnamon sticks. Pour the oil into the frying pan until hot. In a bowl, pour the milk and put all the slices of bread to soak them. In a plate, pour the flour and pass the soaked slices of bread on both sides. Fry the slices of bread on both sides in the oil until golden brown. Put them in a bowl with kitchen paper to filter the oil. In a plate, put sugar and cinnamon and mix them. Coat the bread in the mixture of sugar and cinnamon. Here are my torrijas.
Hello! Today is ají cooking, pancakes and Oreo milkshake.
Wash and spill the fruit. Chop it. Put the fruit inside the blender glass. Add the milk and beat. Serve in a glass or cup.
Hi guys, today I'm going to make a sponge. Ingredients: 1 yogurt container of sugar, 1 lemon yogurt, 3 eggs, 1 yogurt container of flour, 1 yogurt container of sunflower oil, and 1 packet of baking powder. Kitchen equipment: 1 yogurt container, a whisk, a mold, and a bowl. How to prepare it? 1. Mix all the ingredients together. 2. Grease the mold with some oil. 3. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees. 4. Put the mixture into the mold. 5. After the oven is preheated, put the mold into the oven for 13 or 35 minutes. 6. Cut it in slices and then serve it. Rating 10 out of 10. Difficulty easy. Preparation time around 1 hour. Bye guys, see you next time.
Hello everyone! Today we are going to make mini Average pizza!
Ingredients:
aubergine,
olive oil and salt,
fried tomato,
cheese, York ham, oregano, equipment, wooden table, knife, spoon, apron, oven, cut the aubergine in slices and wash it. Add some salt and olive oil. Bake the aubergine during 20 minutes at 190 degrees. Spread the fried tomato on the aubergine. Spread some cheese. Add some York ham. Put oregano. Put into the oven for 5 minutes. Ready to eat.
Hey everyone! Today we are going to make sarmale. Sarmale is traditional food in Romania.
I wanna be your vacuum cleaner, breathing in your dust. I wanna be a Ford Cortina, I will never rust. If you like your coffee hot, let me be a coffee pot. You call the shots, babe, I just wanna be yours.
First, put 200 grams of grated cheese in a bowl.
Break the egg and put into the bowl with the grated cheese.
Add 3 tablespoons of cornmeal in the bowl. Mix it.
Put the oil in a frying pan.
Make the balls with the dough and fry them.
Why do I try?
Hello, today we are going to make a Oreo cake.
Let's do it.
Now we are going to present kitchen equipment. Here we have 400 grams of chocolate, kitchen rolls and cooking pot.
Let's cook it.
Mix the whipped cream with the chocolate.
Why do I try? Why? We finish melting the chocolate.
We finish crush the Oreo biscuit.
Why do I try?
We crush the Oreo biscuit
Oreo cream in the mold. We put Oreo chocolate in a mold.
We put on our aprons and cook. Heat the oil in the pan. Coat the hamburger.
Get kick.
Cook in both sides. Take out the burger. Put the burger between two slices of bread. Put 2 slices of tomatoes. Add the tomatoes. Add the cheese. Put some ketchup in the burger. Wash some strawberries. Beat the strawberries and some yogurt. Pour this mix into a glass. ¡Delicious!
Me inspira merengue, bachata y tu voz de dormida. Con 4 palabras te hago una